Hello and welcome back to the Shop channel, where we simplify Odoo for you. In today's video, we're diving into packages, how they work, and how to manage them effectively. A package is a container that holds multiple products, making it easier to store and move items in bulk. This could be a box, a carton, or even a pallet. Odoo helps you track packages, see their contents, and follow their journey from one location to another. Now let's jump into Odoo and see how it all works.
First, we need to make sure the packages feature is enabled. Open the inventory app, go to configuration, settings, find the packages option, check the box, and click save. Once enabled, the package field will become visible under the products menu. From here, you can view all packages, see which products they contain, and even create a new one. The package form includes package reference, package type, current package location, creation date of the package. Here you can also create a custom package types with specific dimensions and weight limits, which are especially useful for calculating shipping costs. When adding a new package type, you'll define key details like its name, size, empty weight, and maximum weight capacity. You can also assign barcodes for easy scanning and specify the storage category capacity for this type. Odoo automatically calculates the total package weight by adding the empty package weight to the product weight, ensuring accurate shipping calculations. You can create a package type directly from here or set it up under Configuration, Package Types. Now you might have noticed that under the Content section, you can't add products directly from here. Instead, products are added during warehouse transfers, whether it's an internal transfer, receipt, or delivery order. So let's navigate to Operations, Deliveries, and open one with the ready state. In some cases, a delivery order with multiple items may need to be shipped in more than one package. This can happen if the items are too large for a single package, or if certain items need to be packed separately. Splitting a delivery order into multiple packages allows for more flexible packaging without the need to create separate delivery orders. To do this, go to Operations tab, click the menu icon next to the product line, or use the Move Smart button at the top. Both options will take you to the detailed operation window. Here, under the Destination Package field, you can either select an existing package or create a new one by typing its name. Let's select this one. Next, specify how many units should go into this package. For example, if we have 100 units, we can split them into two equal parts. To pack the remaining products, click Add a line, select the product, assign a different destination package, and enter the remaining quantity. Once everything is set, let's go ahead and save it. We can also use Put in Pack button over here. However, this action will group all the products in the transfer into a single package. Now, an important note, package contents will only be visible once the transfer status is set to done. Also keep in mind that only storable products are tracked there. While you can include consumable products in a package, the quantities won't be recorded. Since our transfer is still marked as ready, let's go ahead and validate it. Now to check the contents of our package, click the Packages Smart button at the top. From here, select the package, and in the Contents section, you will see the listed products and their quantities. And that's it. This order is now ready to be shipped to the customer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.